You are watching The Invisible. In this video, I will share 4 unique itineraries on 5 days in Bhutan. Travelers with only 5 days in Bhutan have a variety of options. The classic highlights to visit ski attractions such as Dochu La Pass and the iconic Tiger's Nest Monastery, while trekking tours such as one along the popular Dagla Trek and another along the popular Drik Path Trek take you away from civilization to explore Bhutan's alpine scenery. Alternatively, plan an itinerary that includes both cultural sightseeing and outdoor adventure. This exciting 5-day introduction to Bhutan includes visits to several key highlights such as Punakha Dzong, Dochu La Pass, and the iconic Tiger's Nest Monastery. Welcome to Bhutan. The journey begins in Thimphu, the capital city. Visit the magnificent Tashicho Dzong, a fortress-like compound that houses both a Buddhist monastery and the Bhutanese government. From the giant golden Great Buddha Dodonma statue, you can watch the sunset. On day 2, take a half-day city tour before heading to Punakha, taking in the breathtaking mountain views from the Dochu La Pass at an elevation of 10,000 feet. Visit the magnificent Punakha Dzong and participate in an evening prayer ceremony at a nunnery. Following that, you'll hike to Chimilhakhang, a fertility temple and popular pilgrimage site for Bhutanese people. You'll take another 2-hour hike through native forests to reach the temple of Langchats Lakhang. Enjoy a picnic lunch in the cool mountain air. Hike to the iconic Paro Taktsang on the trip's final full day. On your way down, make a stop at Bhutan's oldest temple, Khichu Lakhang. The following day, you will depart from Paro. As you'll see on this lively 5-day trip that also includes plenty of cultural sightseeing, one of the best ways to discover Bhutan's beauty is on its mountain trails. Begin your adventure in Paro. On the first day or two, you'll spend some time sightseeing here and in the surrounding valley, including a visit to Paro Dzong, one of the finest examples of traditional Bhutanese architecture in existence. See thangkas depicting Bhutan's important saints and teachers at Ta Dzong, a watchtower that houses the National Museum. On the third day, travel to the Thimphu Valley. Views can be had from the fortress-like temple Changangkha Lakhang, which is perched on a ridge above Thimphu, before visiting some of the city's cultural sites, monuments, and temples. You can have your photo printed on a genuine Bhutanese stamp at the Post Office Museum. On day 4, take a scenic drive to Chele La Pass before hiking down to Kila Goemba, the serene home of Buddhist nuns who live an undisturbed life of religious studies, prayer, and meditation. On this active 5-day adventure in Bhutan, hike the famous Dagla Trek, also known as the Thousand Lakes Trek due to the many beautiful lakes along the trail. After arriving in Thimphu, get right to work, transferring to the village of Genekha, where the trek begins. Hike to Gur, a yak pasture area, where you'll camp in a tent at an elevation of 10,793 feet. The next day, hike across high ridges through wildflower meadows in summer with a stunning view of Kanchenjunga. Descend into the Laptama Valley to your campsite, which is right next to the lake. Midway through the itinerary, you'll have a free day in the mountains. It's the ideal time to explore the valley, making quick trips to some of the pristine lakes that have earned this trek the moniker Thousand Lakes Trek. On day 4, you'll see Himalayan peaks, including Mount Everest, from the trail. Hike along the river until you reach Panka, where you'll camp for the second time, at an elevation of 13,123 feet. On day 5, continue to Chamgang, then drive to Paro to catch a flight out. Enjoy views of blue pine forests and high ridges while breathing in the fresh mountain air on this popular 5-day trip along Drikpath Trek. Begin your journey at the trailhead, which is near the Ta Dizong Museum. You'll start your trek uphill, crossing Zili La Pass and descending to a meadow near Jele Dizong, where you'll camp. Visit Jele Dizong the next morning, an isolated fortress built hundreds of years ago to provide shelter for trekkers. Hike to the top of Jomolhari mountain and camp near the lake in Jangchulkha. Take the high trail to Lange Jala, which offers views of Jomolhari and Zichu Drake's Peak. Zimilangtasho Lake's lakeside campsite is reached via a steep descent. Continue to Phejoding, which is home to a well-known Buddhist meditation center comprised of 10 temples. On the final night of the trip, you'll camp once more before returning to Thimphu. Dear viewer, thanks for watching this video. If you find the content helpful, please hit the subscribe button to help this channel grow.